Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and AI aficionados. Buckle up, because we're about to witness something that might just blow your mind. What if I told you a robot is about to make its first trade in the wild world of crypto? That's right, folks. We're diving headfirst into the digital currency ocean with my very own AI bot. And things are about to get interesting. Meet CryptoBot 3000, the brainchild of countless sleepless nights, energy drinks, and maybe a touch of madness. This little guy isn't your average trading bot. Oh no. He's got personality for days. Picture a sassy R2-D2 with a finance degree and a penchant for memes. That's our boy in a nutshell. Now, you might be wondering, why on earth would you unleash an AI on the crypto market? Well, my friends, it's simple. Because we can. And also because I got tired of my own terrible trading decisions. I mean, who hasn't panic sold during a dip only to watch the price skyrocket 5 minutes later? CryptoBot 3000 is here to save us from ourselves. So, what's under the hood of this digital trading maestro? We're talking trend-following algorithms smoother than butter, with a dash of arbitrage magic sprinkled on top. It's like giving a supercomputer a crystal ball and a Bloomberg terminal. We chose this strategy because, let's face it, in the world of crypto, trends are about as stable as a house of cards in a hurricane. Might as well try to ride the wave, right? Alright, let's set the stage for our bot's grand debut. We've got the interface up, looking like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Data feeds are streaming faster than I can blink, and we've decided to let CryptoBot 3000 loose on the ETH-USD pair. Why? Because Ethereum is like the cool cousin of Bitcoin, who actually does something with their life. Now, let's talk numbers. We're not betting the farm here, but we're not playing it too safe either. We've allocated a modest sum. Let S just say it's enough to make my wallet cry, but not enough to have me living off ramen for the next year. The potential upside? We could be sipping cocktails on a yacht. The downside? Well, there's always that cardboard box under the bridge I've had my eye on. But hey, enough about me. What do you think? Will our silicon-brained friends strike crypto gold? Or are we about to witness a digital faceplant? Drop your predictions in the comments. Folks, let's see who's got the crystal ball and who's just full of hot air. Alright, the moment of truth is upon us. The market's looking spicier than a ghost pepper challenge, and CryptoBot 3000 is revving its virtual engines. We're counting down like it's New Year's Eve, but instead of a ball drop, we're waiting for that sweet, sweet trade execution. 3, 2, 1, and we're live. Holy guacamole, would you look at that? The bot's making moves faster than I can say blockchain. We've got entry prices flashing, volume pumping, and, wait for it, our P&L is actually in the green. Is this real life, or have I finally lost it after staring at charts for 48 hours straight? I'm not gonna lie, folks. My heart's racing faster than Usain Bolt on espresso. 1 minute I'm grinning like I just won the lottery. The next, I'm biting my nails like they're going out of style. This must be what it feels like to be a proud parent watching their kid's first recital. If that recital could potentially make or break your financial future, that is... And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The dust has settled, and it's time for the moment of truth. Drumroll, please. CryptoBot 3000 has officially made its first profit. We're talking a cool 2.3% gain in under an hour. Not too shabby for a newborn AI, huh? But let's break it down, shall we? Why did this trade work out? Well, it turns out our bot caught onto a trend faster than Twitter catches onto a celebrity scandal. It spotted a bullish pattern forming, jumped in at the perfect moment, and rode that green candle all the way to Profit Town. Of course, we can't ignore the fact that the crypto gods were smiling upon us today. Ethereum had some positive news drop right as we were trading, giving us that extra boost. It's like the universe decided to high-five our algorithm. So, what have we learned from this little adventure? First off, AI might just be smarter than your average trader. No offense to any humans watching, of course. Secondly, the crypto market is about as predictable as a cat on catnip. But with the right tools, we might just be able to make sense of the chaos. Now, you might be thinking, great, you got lucky once. What's next? World domination? Well, not quite yet. My ambitious friends, we're thinking big, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. The plan is to refine CryptoBot 3000, maybe teach it some new tricks. Who knows? We might even dabble in some machine learning. Let it evolve like a Pokemon of the financial world. We're also considering expanding its repertoire. Why stop at ETH-USD when there's a whole crypto zoo out there? Bitcoin, Dogecoin, maybe even some of those weird altcoins that sound like they were named by a toddler mashing a keyboard. But here's where you come in. Dear viewers, we want to hear from you. What do you think about AI in the world of crypto? Is it the future, Or are we one step away from Skynet taking over our wallets? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you've got any wild ideas for our next experiment, we're all ears. Who knows? Your suggestion might just be our next video. Speaking of which, we're cooking up something special for next time. Will we pit CryptoBot 3000 against another AI in an epic battle of the bots? Or maybe we'll see how it fares against a human trader. Any volunteers? Either way, it's going to be more intense than a game of Jenga on a roller coaster. So, there you have it, folks. The birth of a crypto trading AI, live and in action. We laughed, we cried, we made some money, and most importantly, we didn't break the internet or crash the market. I'd call that a win in my book. Remember, in the world of crypto, anything can happen. One day you're up, the next day you're Googling how to mine Bitcoin with a potato. But with a little bit of AI, a dash of humor, and a whole lot of caffeine, we might just be onto something here. Until next time, keep your wallet safe, your memes dank, and your expectations as volatile as the market itself. This is your friendly neighborhood crypto enthusiast, signing off. May your gains be high and your fees be low.